Like, don't just freaking plow through the problem without taking a step back and thinking about what you're doing or thinking about how your mind is right now. What's up, everybody? Day 30. It's a good day. I woke up around 9. We were bummed from yesterday trying to fix the issue with the car. I'll give you a breakdown of what happened. So I have the 96 Camry in addition to my Mercedes. And I bought that as a beater car. It only has 123,000 miles, which is not bad. So I cleaned it up yesterday. When I turned on the ignition, the car would rev up to like 3,000 RPM, and basically the throttle was being sent to the engine. I mean, I don't know how to describe it, but basically the car was thinking it was getting throttle, and I didn't know why. So I looked at the different valves and other stuff, and then I posted on Reddit. So we're kind of bummed because I don't really work on cars too much. It's the reason I bought this car is to force me to do the repairs myself and get into that. So anyway, long story short, I posted on Reddit. The reply said to look at the throttle cable, see if it was stuck, and then all I did was I moved the throttle up and down the cable, open and close it, and it seemed fine. So I'm just gonna put some grease on it later. But once I did that, it seemed, yeah, it was stuck, so it went back to the original resting position. I turned it on, and now it was just fine. It's idling around 800 something RPM. It sounds good, and it's running. The other thing I did on the car, I installed some wheel lock nuts because it comes with just the standard lug nuts, which anybody can take off if they have the wrench. So I put the wheel lock nuts that are the same on my Mercedes that have a security tool. So basically, the nut is threaded, and then that goes on the stud. Now, the pattern on the nut to tighten it is a weird, like, 4-leaf clover pattern on the face, and you have to put a tool in to fit that, and then you tighten that tool. So without that tool, you can't remove the nut. So nobody can just take the wheels off my car. And I was trying to get the system, the freaking radio system working, but I got the Bluetooth tape cassette player because I only have a tape player and radio, and then my tape cassette was not working. It just kind of, when I put it in, and it just spits it out. So I think the last thing I'm gonna do in the interim is just put the multimedia, just a $30 car stereo here, so I can connect to my phone and do hands-free calling, and then also have Bluetooth because, yeah, just calling hands-free is something I want. And then finally, after I do that, I want to get the car fully detailed. And after I get it fully detailed, the interior looking good, I'll need to figure out like a new paint job or something. But yeah, I'm gonna do all the maintenance myself, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. Pretty happy. So today is gonna be a little bit low-key. I wanna fix the stuff on my car, and I'm gonna go back, take a cold shower. We're gonna do the puja of the car, so just bless the car, because I wanted to do it yesterday, but it wasn't running properly and it was dangerous to drive. So we're gonna do that today, and I'll do some work. I gotta design up some stuff, and also do some stuff for my job. Though it is a holiday, it's MLK Day. Trump is being sworn in. New beginnings. It's a new chapter. Hopefully, manufacturing picks up in the U.S. and we get more orders. And let's go. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone to pick up that stereo, and I'll keep you guys updated. We're at the studio, gonna take a cold shower, and then we're gonna go back to the shop, do some more work. Cold shower, 30, done, 30 days in a row. Whew, man, it's just the beginning. Just the beginning. What are my thoughts for today? Oh, man. Yeah, yesterday was rough. Throughout the night, I was working to figure out figure out what exactly is causing the problem on my Camry. Just over and over and over. And then I think my thought for today is, yesterday I spent almost 4 hours just going through everything and trying to figure out what the problem is until like 10:30 in the night. And then I woke up today. I posted on Reddit. It got an answer that made sense to me, and I was able to fix it in like 30 minutes. And so that brings me to my thought, where it is sometimes if you're too tired, just take a step back and don't really work on the problem. Consult an expert or just sleep on it and then come back to it with a fresh mind. And I guarantee you'll solve the problem much faster. Like, don't just freaking plow through the problem without taking a step back and thinking about what you're doing or thinking about how your mind is right now. Are you too tired? Like, do you actually have the energy to solve this problem? Are you too mad? Are you too angry? Take a step back, gather yourself together, and then solve the problem. Guarantee you life's gonna be so much easier, and it's gonna be a lot less stressful, and you're not exerting extra energy on just nothing, right? So that's my thought. So today we're gonna do the errands that we didn't get a chance to do yesterday. I'm gonna do laundry, groceries. We're gonna take the car to the temple, get that done. And yeah, then we'll continue working. All right, keep you guys posted. We went to the temple. Or actually, first we did laundry, and then we did groceries, and then we went to the temple to do the puja for the car, just to bless the car. Now my other car is still at the shop, so I got to take an Uber there and drive that one back here. So that's what we're doing right now, and then we'll take a nice hot shower and just plan out the week and do some work. That's gonna be the end of the video today. I'm back home, just looking through my work calendar, planning out the week. I'm gonna go shower and then fold my clothes and go to sleep. Pretty boring day, but that's how it is some days. It's already 30 days, 1 month in. I really gotta step up the gas now. So we're hit the ground running. No more distractions. All right, see you guys tomorrow.